I'm the kind of person who has great joy in helping others. I just truly believe all children can learn, no matter what their age. My name is Joanna, and I've worked in the Gary Public Schools for 30 years. The long hallway took a toll on my body. My coworkers definitely knew something was wrong. My physician spoke highly of Dr. Wood at Methodist Hospital.
The first time I saw Joanna, she came to my office. She was with her family, her daughter and her husband, and she was in a wheelchair, and I found that she had severe arthritis of both hips. Her arthritis was a result of her having dysplasia or deformity of her hips from the time she was born. I found that she was a very religious person and a person of faith. She attended church regularly.
I knew something was wrong when I couldn't walk up the steps of my church.
Well, a lot of patients of Joanna's age, as the arthritis progresses, they lose mobility, they have increasing pain.
I didn't give it much thought because I kind of chalked it up as being a part of getting older. He told me nobody can make this decision for me, and I was ready. I wanted to live a life free from pain.
Obviously, she's in a lot of pain. She cannot walk, she's in a wheelchair, and if she had hip replacement surgery, that would be greatly improved.
After my first surgery, I wasn't accustomed to having other people do things for me or to help me get around. But things got better, and I got stronger, and my confidence returned with each step of my rehabilitation.
I always wanted to be a doctor ever since I was 7 or 8 years old. I just try to do the best I can for patients and use what skills God has given me and put me in this place to help people.
I would recommend anyone who would have to go through what I did to actually try going to Methodist, or like a one-on-one situation.
It's not just helping people, it's being there for people to give them the best care and to make them feel like they're really getting good care.
One of the favorite activities I had that I enjoyed the most was bowling. I really enjoyed doing that.
I told her that it's possible that she will be able to bowl after both of her hips are done.
I haven't done it in about 4 or 5 years or so, but it would be a great joy to know that now, since the surgery, I should be able to do what was difficult before. I should be able to do it now with ease.
My wife is happy now. She gets around much better. She's just going. She do everything.
Faith is what got me through this, and I believe God used Dr. Wood to help heal my body. Here I am. I got my freedom back.